Leaders in the data era will be the organizations who can only gather, store, process, and analyze data to generate insights from it, who can also systematically act on those insights to deliver personalized and differentiated customer experiences at scale. At Dell Technologies, we can help you at every step of the way in converting from your data meaningful value of your organization, right? It starts with discovery. We can help you to catalog your existing data as well as discover unknown dormant data with the Boomi data platform. Boomi also allows you to prepare your data for use by cleaning and normalizing it to fix any inaccuracies, creating a single view of entities, synchronizing and aligning the scale of data. Through the integration capabilities of Boomi, you can connect applications and the data sources as well as enrich original data with supplementary data sources. And most importantly, you need high capacity, high performance, and high resiliency storage to be able to cope with the data demands of being a digital organization. We deliver that in spades with Dell EMC Storage, a broad portfolio in which we are market leader in almost every category. Whether you need the massive throughput of an all-flash scale-out Isilon system or the immense scale, extreme performance, and extreme reliability of our PowerMax and recently launched Power1 systems and PowerStore systems, Dell Technologies can meet your needs. The next important thing is to process data. So reasoning over high volumes of complex data with sophisticated artificial intelligence techniques requires affordable processing, low-cost GPUs and CPUs, and fast throughputs via NVMe. At Dell EMC, we offer robust compute and storage technologies that are designed with artificial intelligence in mind. And the next stage is to analyze the data. Pivot with solutions from Pivotal, we can provide you artificial intelligence ready massively parallel data platforms to operationalize and bring on the analytics from use cases from traditional business intelligence to machine learning to deep learning to data science exploration. So when you drive these insights, it's also important to just absorb it, right? And that's where Dell EMC artificial intelligence consulting services comes in, which includes business analysts, data scientists, and data engineers who can help architect and implement artificial intelligence solutions that turn data into intelligent insights. It's not enough to just drive insights. Trust me, in order to drive a business outcome, you have to be able to automatically take an action on those insights that change behavior. So with Pivotal Labs, we can help you build modern software development skills that you and your organizations require to develop data-driven, personalized, and differentiated customer experiences at scale. So let's move to the next key tenet of IT transformation, that is automating the delivery and consumption of IT services to deliver a consistent experience from edge to core to cloud. As we all know that cloud is not a destination, it's an operating model. The definition of infrastructure is also changing. Not one size fits all. Gone are those days where we come back to you and say that here is the product, here is the solution I have that is like an Ramban for all your problems. So gone are those days. No one size fits all. You need to support developers with abstractions they need for each application. Dell Technologies can help you and your internal IT teams to be more relevant to your developer community and businesses so that they don't feel that they have to shadow IT to operate it the speed and productivity they need. As you can see, we are doing much more than just providing a common environment. We are improving your on-premises experience, making it more public cloud. We are also allowing you to make your best practices for security and management more portable and bring those to the public cloud. And we are bringing the best of both of these environments to the edge. Now that we have modernized the IT infrastructure and help you with a consistent platform across edge to core to cloud with VMware and Dell provided common cloud, let's see how do we protect your apps, right? Whether your data and applications are in your private data center, a public cloud, or at the edge, Dell Technologies help you to ensure availability with cost-effective management and protection solutions. We bring elastic cloud storage to your private cloud with limitless scale and cloud economics. We extend data protection services to the cloud for disaster recovery use cases. While public cloud providers are responsible for upkeeping SLAs for the infrastructure and services they provide to you, but as an organization, you are generally still responsible for securing and protecting those data assets you have in the public cloud. And Dell Technologies can help you protect your data in the cloud too. Finally, Dell Technologies also offer you a range of hosted cloud protection, and storage services which you can consume as a service. As you see, Dell Technologies data protection portfolio provides comprehensive protection for all of your data and applications, whether they run on premises, on virtualized infrastructures, on public hybrid cloud environments. So you have heard today about a lot of solutions from us across the whole Dell Technologies portfolio to support and enable your organization. I hope this has changed the perception of what's possible when you partner with us. And I hope this gives you an idea on how to build a framework to navigate and innovate in this data era.